Hi, everybody. Today we are going to study together the vocabulary. If you can speak, read, you can listen, and write, then you're good to go. Huh? I also want to stress a little bit. Thank you so much because many of you decide to subscribe to my channel and thank you so much. Bonjour à tous. J'espère que vous allez super bien. Votez na bande. Onyostu. Ai. Oyo tosa ngonga nate. Merci mingi ndenge balobaka na kikongo matondo lelo na koenseigner bino vocabulaire bamo mingi na koloba eza lokola bamo ya bon ndenge na mélange quand même mosusu na koloba a partir ya médecine alors tika toleka na biso adult and born boy water or child kid children and kid cousin daughter course, ex-wife, baby mama, father, dad, girl, grandfather, grandmother, husband, baby father. I'm gonna repeat again. Adult, infant, born, boy, water, or child, kid, children, and its cousin, daughter, course, ex-wife, baby mama, father, dad, girl, grandfather, grandmother, husband, baby father. Now, eza na ba mo mosusu boko comprendre yango te ntango nazoloba tena nazonga na soki mutu alobi child eza kaka ndenge mona kid soki mutu alobi children eza mpe kaka ndenge mona kid ana s mais na niveau ya orthographe na école na niveau ya académique okokoma oyo te na niveau académique oyo bakoma yango te oyo mpe bakoba yango te. In case you are at university, you're writing your essay, don't write kid, okay? You write children, child or children, okay? Don't write kid. This is most of the time American use it, okay? Cousin is our call napesa neti exemple na lingala mpona france na lingala eza bo cousin na lingala eza lokola mwana mama leki na biso za cousin na ngai mwana papa leki na biso baza cousin na ngai mwana na ngai mwasi na anglais tozobenge daughter mwana na ngai mwasi na obenge daughter divorce wana kuni mutu nyonso ayebi biso ex-wife eza lokola neti mwasi na ngai kala todivorsa na ye baby mama eza bo naza kokola na mwasi na ngai tokabwana na ye sikoyo mwasi wana bandeti aza na age ya mwana moke comportement na ye moni baso moni ndeti no bandeti mobali aza na age napesaka exemple napesa exemple mobali aza na 30 ans mwasi abali aza na 18 ans to 20 ans to 22 ans mais na ndenge toitilizaka baby mama eza kaka ndeti ex-wife so ndeti na bino explique na lingala bi eza kaka ndeti ex-wife mais ex-wife eza kokola obala ye mais baby mama mpe ekipaka te okoutiliza mpe ndeti mpe soki mpo obala mwasi na yo mpe bodivorce soko obengi kaka baby mama donc soki natali bien synonyme ya ex-wife eza kokola baby mama. Baby father eza mpe lokola husband na yo husband, okay? Because husband oyo bo divorce na ye, you wana ozobenga your baby father. Langage toitiza yango mingi eza langue moko balabala. So ozokoma na niveau académique koutilize oyo te koutilize oyo te. Brother eza ndeko na mobali oyo eza kaka toloba yango tokata yango na mokuse po mwana no ya mwasi pardon mwana no mobali oyo eza tante na yo oyo eza naissance nini no botama so ndeti babatunu ndeti botama na nini ndeti na koloba ke born abotama na 1930 botama na 1920 botama donc eza na koloba nete donc tango tunyo okoloba I was born in Congo, I was born in Africa, I was born in Angola, I was born in the United States, I was born in Canada. I was born in Canada. Okay? Canada. Okay? I'm just giving an example. So I was born in Canada. Okay? I'll just give an example. Okay? Give an example. Okay? Yeah. Tant. Oh, is that tant now? Yo? Yeah, so tikajole cannabis. So 3 hours. Exercice mom, okay? So to lobby. Your father or mother, father. Your father or mother. Money eso to pronounce the father. Asabanan. Your female child is your son or daughter. Total bibo. Your father or your mother's father is a grandfather or grandmother. Na anglais be amo to benga bongo. Yeah, grandfather or grandmother amo to benga bongo grandpa na grandma. Okay? Grandpa na grandma. 3 hours. Your female child is your son, daughter, or no one. He used to be married to her. She is a young man is a the man you call dad or daddy, not a child anymore. You got to talk about it. See? Your father or mother's father, we call them grandfather. Money grandfather, oh. Yeah, grandfather. Your female child is your daughter. Huh? He used to be married to her. He used to be married to her. She's his ex-wife. A young man is a boy. The man you call dad or daddy, father, not a child anymore, adult. Hein? Donc, landango, malamu, kako zo comprendre te, la vidéo talango les sous. Et ça lango fait lo futa no mbongo te. Ba j'aime pe botie wana, subscribe pe botie wana na ça no ma vidéo ebele. Na sana ezane problème temps. Kuna sala na sala na même ça mi bale. Na sala musala msusu na libanda. sala mosala mosusu mpe awa na ndako na ntango ape lisusu sa problème atan me naosala nyonso tu na nasala bavideo mpona bino naosala nyonso tu mpona sala mpona eza na bato mosusu mpe baanglais te malemi koyeba oye awa a young woman is it was blah 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 in 1928 when the Second World War started. It was 11 years old. They have different parents but the same grandparents. No longer married. He has the same mother and father as you. Your father or your mother's sister or your uncle's wife. Remember? Let's see the answer. See? A young woman is a girl. It was born in 1928 when the World War started. It was 11 years. Go na ka o dozolo bela. Baby te so get nini. Don't know here. Don't know. They have a different parent, but the same grandparents. Hasn't. No longer married. Of course. He had the same mother and father as you. Father. Your father or mother's sister or your uncle's wife. Your aunt. The man you marry is your father or mother is his mother. Again, I'm gonna repeat again. Your father or mother's mother. Your son and daughters. Let's see the answer. See, the man you marry is your husband. Your father or mother's mother, your grandmother, your son and your daughter, children or kid. Like I said, we use this. You can use this if let's say that you are at university, okay? You're a student. You start you're an undergraduate student, okay? And you're writing an essay. Do not write this. Don't write kid. You write children, okay? That's it. So that's what I can give you guys for today. Thank you so much. And then yeah, so lola ingana pesa bino pona lelo ya ngwana. Nzambe abatela bino botika. Bye bye.